Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're discussing some facts about Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet with a thin atmosphere, with surface features reminiscent of both the Moon's impact craters and Earth's valleys, deserts, and polar ice caps. It is the planet most frequently searched for life. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Mars has been documented for at least 4,000 years due to its brightness and closeness to Earth, making it impossible to attribute its discovery to anyone. However, Galileo Galilei was the first person to use a telescope to observe Mars in 1610. Because of its red appearance, it is named after the Roman god of war. Mars represents masculinity, youth, and is used as a symbol for the male gender in various cultures. Mars has a distinctive reddish appearance among the astronomical bodies visible to the naked eye due to the effects of the iron oxide prevalent on its surface. It is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere, with surface features reminiscent of both the Moon's impact craters and Earth's valleys, deserts, and polar ice caps. Mars is located 227.9 million kilometers from the Sun. It takes about 13 minutes for sunlight to reach Mars. The greatest distance from Earth is 401 million kilometers, and the greatest distance from us is 54.6 million kilometers, with an average distance of 225 million kilometers. Mars has a radius of 3,389 kilometers or 2,105 miles, making it twice the size of Earth. Mars has a diameter of 6,779 kilometers or 4,212 miles, making it slightly larger than half the size of Earth. Mars has a mass of 6.42 times 1,023 kilograms, which is about 10 times that of Earth. The volume of Mars is 1.6318 times 1,011 kilometers cubed, which is 163 billion cubic kilometers, which is equivalent to 0.151 Earths. Mars's gravity is approximately 38% that of Earth's. Mars has a density of 3.93 grams per cubic centimeter, which is lower than the density of Earth, indicating that its core region contains lighter elements. A single rotation day on Mars takes 24.6 hours, while a full trip around the Sun or year takes 669.6 days. Mars' axis of rotation is tilted 25.2 degrees, which is similar to Earth's axial tilt of 23.4 degrees. Mars has seasons, but they last longer than on Earth because Mars orbits the Sun more slowly. Mars' elliptical, egg-shaped orbit around the Sun causes the seasons to vary in length. Spring is the longest season in the northern hemisphere, autumn in the southern, lasting 194 days. Autumn is the shortest season in the northern hemisphere, spring in the southern, lasting 142 days. Northern winter, southern summer has a duration of 154 days, while northern summer and southern winter has a duration of 178 days. Mars has an average temperature of negative 60 degrees Celsius. Temperatures near the poles can drop to negative 125 degrees Celsius in the winter. Winds on Mars can be strong enough to cause dust storms that cover most of the planet and take months to settle, posing a significant challenge for space probes. The majority of its atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon gases. Mars has the highest volcano mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which stands 13 miles, which is 21 kilometers tall, as well as the largest canyon, Wells Marines. Phobos and Deimos are the names of Mars' two moons. Interestingly, Jonathan Swift mentioned these moons in his book, Gulliver's Travels. What's strange is that these moons weren't even discovered at the time. They were discovered 151 years after the book was published. Mars does not have rings, but it is predicted that its moon, Phobos, will collide with Mars in about 50 million years, potentially forming a ring system. Although Mars lacks a magnetic field, certain areas are highly magnetized, indicating the presence of a magnetic field 4 billion years ago. It is devoid of an active plate tectonic system. Continuous observations and analysis have led to the conclusion that Mars was once very similar to Earth, with water or even entire oceans. According to recent research, it may still have water. Thank you for watching the video.